Hello YouTube. Today we're going to address a problem I have with the car. Now, as you know, I put a front lip from a Mustang Mach 1 on there, and while it looks good, there's an issue I have with this particular year that I'm going to address today. As you can see here, the 2004 to 2007 has a little indentation right here, which leaves a gap. And when you leave a gap here, there's nothing to bolt the spoiler to the body. So you're going to have a little flex here. That being said, we're going to address that problem with something I just bought today. So let's get to the unboxing. And this is what I got in the box that I'm going to fix the problem with. So let's open this. Washers. And these two items here has nothing to do with the car. That's something else. But what's in these two is going to fix the problem. Time to open them up. These are splitter rods, support rods, or if you have a splitter or a front bumper and they support the splitter or the front bumper. These are small ones. They're just the right size for my spoiler on the front of the Taurus. So there's another one. I got 4 of them, which should be enough to cover it. So let's open this up and see what they look like. Okay, here they are. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to have one hook to the bumper and one end hook to the splitter. And you can see here they swivel. So you can have them in any angle you want. And it keeps everything steady and so it won't move. So I got 4 of them. So let's go outside and see how I'm going to put these on. Also, these washers are going to be used with them too. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use them. So let's go outside. As you can see here, there are 4 screws where they're supposed to mount into the bumper. I'm going to remove those so the hole will be available. And I'll be able to bolt the bottom part of the rod to this bumper. What I did was I put a washer on this side and a washer on the other side and bolted these on, but I did it loose. Did it real loose so I can do adjustments. Now I'm going to have to find out where I want to drill the holes to mount this one. And from what I'm seeing here, it'd be better if I just turn it up and point it up right here and drill it right here. So I'm going to measure each rod. I'm going to put it up here, measure right here where the bolt's going to go straight up, drill a hole there, then I'll be able to put a washer on the opposite side, put the nuts and everything, and then tighten it up from the inside, and then I'll tighten the bottom ones. But I'm going to have to do that with each rod. This one is going to be right here. This one is going to be right up in here. And this one's going to go in the opposite direction. Here and here. And that should support this whole center section of this spoiler. So time to get my drill and see how we're going to do this. They're mounted. They're not tight yet. I just got them bolted on, so it's still drooping a little bit. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to tighten the top bolts on the inside of here. Then I'll tighten the bottoms, and this will bring this up and tighten that up. So it's time to do that now. And there it is. It's stiff. It's not flopping. Now see, this is what you need to do if you have a 2004 to 2007 Taurus that doesn't have the piece that go across the bottom. You'll have to get these little splitter rods. But I think they turned out pretty good. I'm gonna wash this carb real quick, and so we can take a look at it and see how it looks.